ChatGPT is getting chatty with its demonstrative voice mode. So yeah, ChatGPT has introduced an advanced voice mode, unlike the Siri, the Alexa. I mean, this one is more interactive. This one can make noise, can make giggles. So if you are emotionally down, I mean, when you're talking to this particular feature that they are bringing, it's going to be able to detect how you feel. I mean, so if it's sad, it will be able to do it. But let me read a post from CNN. What is it about this particular advanced voice mode they've brought? So yeah, according to CNN, OpenAI stunned users when it demonstrated an updated voice mode for the most advanced version of ChatGPT earlier this year, actually. So according to them, far from the kind of robotic voice that people have come to associate with the digital assistant like Alexa, like I stated earlier. So this particular thing they have introduced, it's more advanced than you saying, Siri, play me, or Siri, play me, whatever, or Alexa, open the door, Alexa, turn on something. This particular one, like your friend, the way you sit with your friend and communicate with them, this advanced voice mode is going to chat with you like a friend. Stay glued to this channel because I'll be bringing you more tech news. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.